How to change region or country on iPhone. Let's get started. Open up settings. Scroll below, simply tap on general. Scroll below again, tap on language and region. Then select region. You will see your current region. For example, mine is set to United Kingdoms. Now tap on the country you want to change to, such as United States, and then you may be asked how you want your language and formats to appear. Choose your preferences. Your iPhone will now say setting region, and after a few seconds the region will be updated. Now the second method is head back to your home screen, open up App Store, then tap on your profile icon right over here, tap on your profile name, and just like that sign in with your Apple ID. After that, simply tap on country or region, then select the country or region you want to change to. Read and agree the terms of condition, and then to complete the changes you will need to enter a payment method, billing name, billing address for the new country. Once everything is done, you can simply tap on next at the very top. That's it. That is how you can change your language or region on your iPhone, either through settings or your App Store. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.